tree transplantation is one of the important and mandatory practice in all the construction projects nowadays, because the tree is most considered as one of the most important assets. It needs to be preserved for the social cause that everybody is nowadays is realizing. That's why all the construction site or all the any major projects or infrastructure projects, whatever, the tree, the existing tree should be preserved at the maximum possible limit. That is the intention of the government and intention of the ministry. So based on that, today either you take in the government of India projects or any other state government projects, now the tree transplantation project is felt is important, and it's become the mandate, and it's a clear cut instruction and guidelines has been given to the all respective institutions and agencies. The forest department also concerned, forest department of the state government and central government unit also the monitoring how the transplantation the process takes place, and they are compelling, and they are big, and it's they formulated to everyone should follow, and they are enforcing the same also, because the one tree it's accommodate many people. One tree gives the life to the many people, not only people, it's give the life to the birds and flora and fauna. So that's why rather than cutting the tree, the preserving the tree is one of the important aspects today scenario. Friends, if you see in the other countries, they have the developed countries all are transplanting, the shifting the trees whatever possible. The at last, if it is not possible, either by way of tree species and location, and if it is not possible or not feasible and economically not viable, in that case the tree is allowed to cut. Otherwise all the trees are only mandate for shifting and translocation. So developed countries are spending large and huge amount for the tree shifting. The same scenario, the tree, same concept now emerging in all the cities and infrastructure projects in India also. Now in Delhi government, in NDMC also, whatever that projects, construction projects, the existing tree, if suppose wanted to remove, we try to save the tree by shifting and translocating the trees. So that is our priority, because the tree is not a today are overnight grown trees. It's a come up well after 10 years, 15 years, 20 years, 40 years, 50 years. So the age of the tree also important, the canopy of the tree is also important, and hence the trees are now planning to shift at the construction and project stage itself. Friends, you see some of the slides are also is going in the background in my the foreign countries, how they are shifting the trees. Similarly, see how they are making the root ball, because the transplantation is nowadays it's becoming the success stories, and though despite it is a little bit costly, but it is become the success stories. It's involved the mechanization and machineries and technology. See, the root ball is very much important while we planning for transplanting the trees. As much as the trunk size, the diameter, the root ball should be maximum at least 10 times more than that, because if one सपोज इफ यू मान लीजिए अगर 2 फीट है आपको डायामीटर, देन आप 20 feet you have to at least minimum 8 times, minimum 8 times the root ball has to be framed. So the root ball, the removing process itself, it's a root curing. So root curing itself is a techniques, because that is takes place step by step. Because if it is divided by that area into 6 portion, so one portion cut and another opposite portion is cut. After allowing 1 month, then it will allow to regenerate some roots, so that is indication. Then the next portion will go removal. Then if it is started root generation, then the next leftover portion, opposite, then everything is cut. Thereafter they will go in the entirely detachment from the root area and soil area. Thereafter burlapping is properly is done by wrapping with a very high tension or non biodegradable with a layer, different layer, and with wrapping methods, so that the tree root ball is very felt. It is very important. The root ball, unless otherwise the root ball is not properly translocated, the success of the tree shifting is very poor. So that is the foremost important. So this is the root curing. It will take at least 3 to 4 months the process, because we have to institute the root growth, and the receptor site also we simultaneously kept, where we are going to transplant the tree, that also kept ready. So the simultaneously some trees, what happen, all the trees are ट्रांसलोकेशन के लिए सूट नहीं होता. Some trees it's mostly I can say that around 60% of the existing trees in the avenues in the city can be transplantable. Some of the trees may not be possible. So that tree, first identification of the tree, it is the feasibility survey report. So अभी है जो रूट बॉल हो गया, उसके साइमल्टेनियसली उसके सूट भी, रूट कैनपी भी, सूट कैनपी भी काट के क्यूरिंग करना पड़ेगा. बिकॉज अगर बड़ा साइज होता उतना के रिमूव करके हमारा जो रोड है में जाने के लिए, ट्रांसलोकेशन करने के लिए, इतना बड़ा ये हमारा फैसिलिटी रोड इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर नहीं है. ऐसे बड़ा अदर कंट्रीज़ में उनका देखो पूरा एंटायर ट्रीज ऐसे शिफ्टिंग कर रहे हैं विद कैनपी, विदाउट एनी कैनपी क्यूरिंग. बट हियर आवर व्हाट वी आर डूइंग, वी आर पहले रूट क्यूरिंग एंड सूट क्यूरिंग आल्सो करके, उसके बाद then we are shifting the trees. So यहाँ पर दिल्ली में हम देखा the suitable season is the winter season, because September to आपको फरवरी तक जो आपको रूट क्यूरिंग अगर कर दिया, that is the good season, because the curing process, because the dormant season में हम कर दिया, the success rate is good, because that will get enough time to rejuvenate, because that is the slightly is the dormant stage and sleeping stage. So इसलिए आपको सितंबर टू आप फरवरी रूट क्यूरिंग एंड सूट क्यूरिंग कर दिया, देन शिफ्टिंग कर दिया फरवरी अगर मार्च या अप्रैल में, then that will rejuvenate, and 80% success is very easily we can get. You see these all the background trees are is transplanted trees, the cassia trees and cassia trees, javanica trees, and even sesame trees also, dalbergia sisal also. Recently I have seen in the near to airport that more than 1,000 trees has been shifted from the road to some of the other location to facilitate the flyover construction, to connect the airport to and India International Convention Center. It is going to come up, and Dwaraga connecting, and as well as the the Gurgaon. So there I observe and keep on observing that the trees are found is a very good success. So similarly now the other areas also started DMRC projects and railway projects and rapid train projects and western corridor freight corridor projects, Many projects, NBCC projects, everybody now, it's very much a cautious about, save the trees. First priority is save the trees. Though it's a, costly affair because shifting cost and again maintenance for 2 years at least we need to give. But generally what happened, the people shifting the trees, but after translocation, the maintenance after care, it's a somewhat still it's distant approach. So maybe there may be a lot of reasons for the agency side, or a fund crisis, or water availability or non-availability of the resources. So some of the issues, or otherwise the tree transplantation is the success stories. So you see, even NDMC we have started the construction project at Pushpi Vigar, there Saket, near Saket, where we from the site we shifted the trees. Now it's around 20 trees. All the trees are now it's successful. We found successful, and even in Delhi, it's a good, and though it's a very semi-dried condition, dry arid condition, the success rate is little bit less as compared to other area, because the Delhi soil is profile is very rocky, and rocky and a little bit stone area, and it's termite infestation highly is there in this area, like Aravalli belt. So that's is the termite control also very big issue to get the more success of the transplanting trees. So these are all the things, and even site, receptor site, whether rocky or access to the good facility, water or any other कोई stress तो नहीं है उसमें, constraint तो नहीं है, access गाड़ी लेके जाने के लिए, ये वगैरह कई factor उसके देखना पड़ता है. So अगर site is there is no any limitation constraint, then its success rate is good, and there may be a possibility 20 to 30% failure, but if you take a due care, definitely we will find the good success rate. So अब ये ट्रांसप्लांटेशन के बारे में अगर हम, ये आज का नई स्टोरी नहीं है. सो ऐसे देखो, हमारा पुराना समय से ये हम सीखा है. कैसे? देखिए, अगर पहाड़ी में चलें या पत्थर में देखें या बिल्डिंग में देखें, वहाँ पर कोई पेड़ है, अगर ऐसे नेचुरली अगर रिजुनेट अगर ग्रोइंग हो रही है, टेम्पल में आपने देखा हुआ, पुराना टेम्पल में पत्थर वाला में जो कंस्ट्रक्ट हुआ या दीवार में, ऐसे जो पीपल ट्रीज़ एंड बर्गर ट्रीज़ वगैरह ऐसे नेचुरल ग्रो होती है. वो अगर ग्रो हो रही है, अगर उसी ट्रीज़ के अगर डिटैच करके अगर हम आँख है अगर ज़मीन में दूसरा जगह में लगा दिया तो रिजुनेट हो जाता है. इसी प्रकार हम देख रहे हैं अभी भी जो ट्रू टाइप ट्रीज़ है, अगर ट्रीज़ के टहना काट के अगर लगा दिया, कुछ ट्रीज़ टहना भी रिजुनेट हो जाता है. सो दीस आर ऑल द कुछ हमको जो आइडिया दे रही है. हाँ, अगर टहना काट के अगर लगा दिया तो वो आ रहा है, तो अगर डिटैचमेंट करके अगर लगा दे अगर आ रहा तो, सो वाई कांट इट नॉट पॉसिबल टू shift the tree for success. So this is the fundamental था. So इसलिए ट्रांसप्लांटिंग साइंस ऑल्सो नाउ गेटिंग आर्बोरिकल्चर सब्जेक्ट में इस अच्छी तरह का ये आजकल तो गेनिंग मोमेंटम, एंड नाउ द पीपल especially there professional peoples are available in the name of arboriculturist. So these days transplantation, it's not a very big and issues. We can transplant successfully, and there now most of the organization coming up well. The Delhi government isliye they have formed the guidelines. So 80% of the tree should be transplanted. The remaining tree may be allowed to cut, subject to if the remaining tree also is any constraint, the removal feasibility is not, if it is occurred, then that is allowed for felling of the trees. So the government, Delhi government is taking very much keen to preserve the trees, the green, because Delhi now the greening percentage, green cover percentage slightly is improving. At the same time, if we lose the trees in the construction project, then the green cover area, the canopy cover area may go down. So that's why now the Delhi government giving them more impetus and a very importance for the transplantation of the tree, as well as the project will go smoothly, because all the cities has a lot of constraint. If you see the infrastructure wise, everywhere we are observing the traffic issues, the vehicle movement hurdles, and the public unable to reach the destination timely. So these are all the some of the issues showing that still the road, the capacity is very less. So that now obviously it's a force to widen the road, because if it is the government responsibility to give the infrastructure for the smooth movement of the people. So without compromising the green as well as the public consent, the government now taking the initiative to save the trees by translocations and transplanting the trees. This public transplanting means it's a good story, so no need to worry and panic about the transplantation and of trees. So that for certain times there may be issues for, because द कैनपी हम अगर रिमूव कर दिया क्यूरिंग की पर्पस के लिए, वहाँ पर कितना बर्ड्स हो सकता, अगर कुछ अगर उसकी घोंसला हो सकता, नेस्टिल हो सकता है. सो देर मे बी समटाइम्स सर्टन लॉस हो सकता है इकोलॉजिकली, बट इंस्टेड ऑफ रिमूविंग परमानेंटली एटलीस्ट हम ये तो बियर कर सकते हैं. So within the short span of time, in the year or 2 or 3 or 4, then that will come up the original shape of the trees what it was. So friends and public, no need to worry about the transplantations, and we must appreciate and we must cooperate with all the constructions projects. So we must keep on eye also, because public eye in the transplantations process also it's very much essential, so that it can avoid the any misuse or any lacking in the care of the trees after transplantation, so that the agency also will give the due care. If the public watch, the agency definitely give the due care and within the due times, as well as the stringent. If the success rate is not 80%, then the agency will not get the payment also. So that also it's compelling, and it's forcing the agency to give the good look after the aftercare practices. So now we have to encourage the transplantation, tree transplantation activities, rather than in preventing or agitating or otherwise so we must cooperate. This is my word, and I found a lot of success. Even myself, I found a lot of success. Anybody wants to see, I can show a number of thousands of trees in the success stories. Even in my NDMC area, there's a few trees, as well as some other areas I have seen in the airport. The visual is in the background. So dear friend, nowadays in Delhi's and in metro other projects, now transplantation is not a hurdles. Therefore, so my views as a technical person, as the experienced persons, we must agree and we must cooperate for the transplantation of the tree. Thank you so much.